Hello class, this is me responding to 3 of the questions for the 9 effects and the shame compass. So the question is, how do the 9 effects as described by Dr. Nathanson influence our emotional experiences and behaviors? It affects our mental state and our reactions, altering our reality. We can spiral into the 4 reactions of shame, which is withdrawal, self-attack, avoidance, and attacking others. Fear of judgment is also tied to shame. It alters our perception of what others might think of us. Therefore, we place ourselves in a bracket of what we believe we are worth. And then the next question was, can you identify specific situations in your life where you've experienced each of the 9 effects? There are many specific situations I've experienced, many of that were traumatizing, but one of the most common ones I experience, even though I'm not at blame or in trouble, or when I get pulled over by police, I feel many of the different 9 effects while interacting with police due to negative or positive experiences. In the most traumatic experiences in my life, where I was definitely a victim of heinous crime, I've felt shame and negative effects with myself, even blame myself for the events that occurred to me, not really realizing that it was my way of processing the negative effects as my life and peace had been corrupted. And then the third question that I chose was, how does the compass of shame model help us understand the different ways people cope with shame? And it actually gives a little bit more clarity to human reaction and response to shame rather than what the definition of it is. Withdrawal, just isolation, self-blame, the avoidance, which is fleeing from the uncomfortable feeling in my own skin, and then attacking others or blaming others. It is a very, very common cycle that occurs. So those are my responses. Thank you.